Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name's Loretta. In this video, I am going to be opening up my flower press. I pressed these flowers, oh boy, I have to check my planner, but I believe that it was the last week of September 25th, and I planned on keeping them in here for 5 weeks, and then I moved at the beginning of November, and because everything was packed and away, I couldn't do any filming. I had my desk packed away, I had my recording equipment, which is basically just an arm that hangs off the side of my desk, and then my iPhone faces down. But anyways, that was wrapped up in a box, and when I moved in, it was so hectic, I didn't have time. So what are we at now? November 12th. So it's been 30, 40, 50. It's been a while. It's been in here for, let's say, 4, 5, 6, at least 6, 7 weeks, I think, which is fine. I don't think they should be kept in here too long, but I think 7 weeks is okay. So I'm just going to take the rest of these off. I'll link the video below where I pressed the flowers. I purchased this flower press on Etsy a few years back, and I meant to go for walks in the summer and go collect flowers I'm sorry for that noise, that's my turtle. She's very noisy. I planned to go in the summer for walks and pick flowers, but I wasn't having a great summer. I switched jobs. I had some health problems with my foot being very, very sore, and I couldn't really walk too much unless I was working. So I have just taken this bouquet and pressed it. Okay, so I think we gotta go way down there where all the, see where the parchment paper is. So I'm just going to pull all of the screws out. The other side of this is just plain like that. And this came with all of these, the corrugated cardboard, all of those pieces, and all of these screws that have these. I'm sorry, I'm not handy. I don't know what these are called. But it came with all these pieces, and this as well, I believe. Or maybe I wrapped that. No, this is mine. I wrapped this around just to keep all the pieces together, because I have so much craft stuff. If I don't keep things together, it'll get lost and damaged. Okay, let's decide. Okay, here's the first one. Oh wow, that did really, this was a carnation. This did flatten quite nice. I know I'm out of frame sometimes. I just wanna, there we go. There we go. Here's some more. I'm not sure, I can't remember what kind of flower this was actually, but it flattened quite nicely. This one's really, really delicate. I'm gonna see if I have something to sort of peel it off. Maybe my bone folder. I got these pieces here. Here we go. And this one, it didn't really dry out, but it is very flat, so that's nice. So we got another one just like that. Oh, this one came off a lot easier. There you go. don't know what all of these flowers are called, but I definitely wanted to keep the stick on some of them. Or sorry, the stem. Oops. Oh, these came out nice too. Let's peel that one off here. Love that. There we go. Oh, and these are peeling off nicely too. So, what should I do with all of these flowers? I think they look really nice in glassine bags and stuffed into journals. I've seen that done before and I love that. You can also just put some glue on it and stick it right on the page. Or these ones look nice with some washi tape right across the stem, stuck in a journal. The only thing is they will get really hard and over time. Okay, there's more of these purple ones. Gosh, I don't know what these flowers are called, I'm sorry. With stems, these pressed nicely. And these still have a little bit of a bulk to them, but I think it came out quite nice. There's the end, yep, and that is the end. Okay, so let me know in the comments what you think I should do with these flowers, and with my next pressing project, I'll make a video of that as well. And maybe not so much the process, but I will unveil them for you on camera and make another video. Okay, so thanks for joining me, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing if you would like to see more of this type of content. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.